Hello everyone, my name is Brian Wilver, and this is my application, Commun-I-Tree. The main persuasion of my application is to influence its users to become more engaged and invested in their local community by monetarily supporting local businesses and spending more time participating in local activities and events. The main objectives of the application are to provide users with involvement opportunities and social experiences that cater to their individual needs within their community. The main rationale behind my application is that many consumers today do not see the value in investing money or time in their local communities, whether it is through supporting local businesses or volunteering or participating in current community events. Intended users of my system will be individuals who are 25 to 64 years old. Based on a survey of 30 individuals, 62% of respondents said that current community-based applications are only meeting their needs somewhat well. Some functionalities that individuals were looking for based on the survey were integrated promotions for food and drinks at local restaurants and bars, the ability to incorporate local safety features, and contact local law enforcement, marketplace functionality, ability to buy and sell to the local community members, as well as the ability to attend social events and find listings of social events that allow users to find others with similar interest and events that occur in both large and small group formats. Here to the left is a user task flow analysis of a user creating their profile through the application. Here the user enters various demographic information, lets the application know how the user will interact with it and how frequently. And then at the end of the profile creation process, the application suggests the user get involved with their community through an activity or an interaction based on a group event. To the right is a task user flow analysis of a user who has created their profile but is still a little hesitant to get involved within their local community. Here, the user reaches out to the community forum, and super users within the application are able to provide recommendations to newcomers in the application and help guide them to highly recommended community events near them. Here are some paper prototypes. Starting in the middle of the screen, this is an interactive map that allows users to view various activities that are going on around them and near their home within their local community. To the right of that is various route options that users can take if they were interested in participating in multiple activities within one day. It also shows the variety of activities that are available to the user, and they can also purchase event tickets directly through the application. On the bottom left here is an important part of my application, which is the gamification element. Users begin as a seedling in the application, and through community events and their experiences, they eventually become a super user. And then lastly, on the bottom right is the community forum that I mentioned previously. Lessons learned from this project is that persuasive design is an iterative process, and that there are many applications currently on the market that could use persuasive design to further engage and more effectively persuade their users. And my lessons from class is that gamification allows users to see the world in a different way. Users' participation in a persuasive game provides them with an actual experience, which allows them to dedicate time to an issue or crisis and form their own views. Thank you very much, and this is the end of my presentation.